please help us with this equation? Okay, so begin with 2x's. Okay, and then we need what? 1 more x plus the 4 constant. Okay, and all of that is equal to what? 4 x's plus what? Plus 1. Okay, so here you have to set off of the problem. So would you now try to simplify, please? What can you do? Why don't you use both hands for the legal moves, please? Okay, so you're moving a pawn from each side. Okay. Okay, so you have a 4 value on this side, a 1 value on this side, a pawn here. So you want to take a 1 value away, okay, from each side. Okay, so how much is x worth then?
3.
Okay, please select the question mark and select the number 3. Okay, clear the board and set up the problem one more time to do the check. 3, 6, 9, 12 and 1. Okay, select the 13, please. Okay, congratulations, very nice.